day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active. And on this video, we are going to explore one of its main features, that is the watch face section. As you can see here, it's already preloaded with a watch face. We will explore more about this feature as we check it on the Xiaomi Fitness application. So we are going to download a sample watch face, as well as a custom watch face for our wearable. So if you are interested to see the available watch faces for our Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active, watch this video. And again, support our channel by liking this video, sharing, or subscribing to our YouTube channel. If you have questions for the Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active, drop a comment below. If you have some suggestions, drop a comment below. Okay, so let's start and explore the Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active watch faces. Okay, so let's start. So before we dive into the support app, let's check out first the watch face here. So we have at least two here. Okay, just long press and you can change the watch face. So it's only loaded with two watch faces. Okay, let's pick this one. On the support app, okay, so we have here the Mi Fitness application. We have a section for band displays. So let's tap on it and check this section. So we have here some categories. We have utility, formal, custom, workout, and all. So let's pick the all section. So we have here official pre-install. We have creative. We have custom watch faces. So we'll explore this later on. We have the creative section. Okay, so let's check. We have at least 6 here. Editor's pick. Okay. So let's see. Then we have mechanical. Only 3. We have formal. Okay, mostly analog here. We have activity. Only 3. We have utility. I like this one, the Interstellar. I guess I'm going to download this one. The retro is also okay. We have simple. Okay, so we have a lot of options here on the simple category or simple section. Bulletin board is also okay. We also have paintings, only 1. Game console. Let's try this one instead of the other one. Let's try this. We have stylish, only 1. And we also have one watch face for the radio here and digits. Do we have, I'm interested to see if we do have a 2-time watch face, okay, for our world clock. I don't see any. I like this one, very feminine. Okay, so let's go back. Let's try this one, paintings. So how to download, let's see. Okay, so tap on the game console, then apply. So let's see, installing update, and it's now syncing. Let's check, and hopefully, yes, we do have here the watch face for our Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active. Nice. Okay, let's have another one. Let's go with the utility. I like this one, the Interstellar. Then apply. As you can see here, the downloading of watch face or dial is very fast. So far, it is stable and we did not encounter any issues. And we have our dial. Nice. Okay, so far so good with the watch face. Then, let's try the custom watch face. Let's have our own photo. Let's look for a design, the style. I like the photo display tree here. I like the setup of the time. Then we have custom color, custom photo. Okay. Okay, so you need to delete the display. How many watch faces do we have? Do we have 3 or 2? We have 1. Again, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have at least 4 here. Okay. So let's delete the watch face here. Then remove. Okay. Then let's add our own custom watch face. So it's installing an update. Let's wait. Okay, applied successfully. So let's have our custom photo. We have downloads here, and I'm going to pick this one. Mobile Legends. Okay, then continue. So we have our custom photo, then apply. Installing update. Let's see. And finally, we have our custom watch face. Nice. Okay, so far there's no issues when it comes to downloading watch faces or dials. And as you can see, you can only add at least 4 watch faces. Okay. If you want to add more, or if you want to change the watch face, you have to delete the previously downloaded watch face. So that's it for our Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active. Again, if you have any questions regarding this video demo, drop a comment below and like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!